Hello, how are you doing? This is Cunningham, known as Jamaica Income Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money online with Clickbank. So if you're interested, all you need to do is go to www.clickbank.com. When you land on this page, you're going to see the page look like this. You're going to click right here to create your account. So I'm going to click right here and I'm going to show you the step that you need to complete to have your Clickbank account in order for you to start make money online with Clickbank. So I'm right here on the page. So you need to fill out all these three steps: your personal information, your banking information, and your account information. Your personal information is like your English, your country, your first name, your last name, your street address, and so on. Okay? So you're going to fill out this first step and you're going to move on to the next step, which is your banking information. Your banking information is like you're going to make Clickbank know how you want to receive payment when you make money with Clickbank. So you're going to fill in either you want to receive by check or either you want to receive it by wire deposit, like bank transfer. Okay, the account information is like you want to log in to Clickbank or you want to log out. So that is your account information. So you're going to fill out all these three steps and make sure that you verify your email, because Clickbank is going to send you an email for you to verify. And make sure that you complete all these three steps correctly. And when you have all these three steps correctly done and on your Clickbank account and have your Clickbank account, what you need to do is log into your Clickbank account. So I'm going to log into one of my demo Clickbank account to show you what you need to do next for you to start making money with Clickbank. As you can see, I'm here right now logging to one of my Clickbank account. I'm going to press login. My internet is moving a bit slow, but I hope all work out so I can show you what you need to do. So I'm inside one of my Clickbank account. So when you have your Clickbank account created and verify your email, and on your Clickbank dashboard you're going to see the page look just like this. Okay, so what you need to do next, go to the marketplace. In the marketplace is where you can go and find product, and in the marketplace you have a tons of category that you can choose from to find a product that you want to promote. Okay, so what you're going to do now, you're going to choose a category that you want to promote the product from. I'm going to just choose the e-business and e-marketing, but as you can see there is a list of category that you can choose. So I'm just going to choose the e-business and e-marketing category just for now, for demonstration purpose. So I'm right here in the e-business and e-marketing category. So before I choose a product, before I pick a product to promote, what I want to do, I want to click right here. Recurrenting. Recurrenting stand for, like, if you sell a product. Alright, now I'll tell you what recurrenting. will do, or what it stand for. Or recurrent in stand for, like when you sell a product you get paid for it monthly. One time stand for, like when you sell a product you only get paid for it one time. But recurrenting is the way that we want to choose our product. I want to know that when we sell a product, we get paid for it monthly after month after month. Just like when time somebody subscribe to a cable package, they have to pay for that cable package every month. So you want to promote product just like a cable package. That if you bring someone to that package, you earn a commission from that person every month. So we're going to promote product that allow you to earn money from it, long as you make a sale and it allow you to get paid from it every single month. So I'm going to click recurrenting. Okay, when I say I click on the one time, you can see that the product then move from recurrenting to one time. So I'm going to click on recurrenting, not one time. So it gives me a list of products that I can promote, and when I sell one of these products, I get paid from that product monthly after monthly after monthly. Okay, so for instance, this is the product that I run across that allow me to get paid from it monthly after monthly after monthly. So what I need to do, before I promote this product, I want to review the product to see what is the product and what the product is all about. So I'm going to I click on the link to review the product. So as you can see, this is Clickbank University. Okay, so before I go about promoting this product, I need to watch this review of this video and see if this product resonates me, just like I am the customers. For instance, I'm going to put myself in the customer's shoes, like it's me.
And if you want to make your
I'm going to pause this video. Yeah. For instance, I'm going to put myself in the customer's shoes, like is me run across this product, and if it really interests me for me to take out my credit card and buy. I say if it really interests me as the customers, can remember, and I'm going to put myself in the customer's shoes. If it really interests me and I will buy, I will sell this product as an affiliate because I watch the review and I resonate with this product as a customers, and when I will buy it, other people will buy it as well. So this product, if I resonate this product like that, I will go ahead and promote this product. So what I will do if I resonate with this product and I want to promote this product, I will just go to the Clickbank where I found that product, and it right here where it said promote. For instance, when I sell this product, I will earn $161 US, 95 cents. So if I resonate with this product and I want to promote this product, I will go right here, hit promote, to get my affiliate link that show my account nickname. Alright, when I click promote, it allow me to get my link, and it allow me to say I'm me the affiliate, because right here it will show my affiliate nickname, and this right here it allow me to put in a tracking ID. That's anywhere me I go promote the product, it allow me to track where the sale is coming from. So for instance, suppose me I go promote this product in a Facebook and in a YouTube and me make a sale without check it. Me not gonna know who part the sale a come from. But they say if me check it like put in YouTube right here, me gonna know say a YouTube it a come from. If a YouTube the sale make. But they say if a Facebook it make, me gonna know say on a YouTube it come from. A Facebook because I put in my tracking ID and I keep track of it to know what is what. So when I put in, for instance, I go promote it in a Facebook at the moment. What I do now, just click right here, generate at link, and click on that, and it will give me a link for me to get to go ahead and promote, so I can able to make money from this product. And when I scroll down below this generate at link, my link should be below. So right here on the right hand side, I'm going to click copy and get that link. So that is the link I should go and promote, and soon as anyone click on that link and resonate with the product and buy, I earn a cut inside of Clickbank. But stay tuned to the next video. I'm going to show you, before you promote this link, I'm going to show you what you need to do before you promote this link, and what the basic thing that you need to set up in place before you promote this link. So watch the next video, the next coming video, and I'm going to show you how to set up your system for this product, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get traffic for this product. So watch the next video, the next coming video. Okay.